Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you two prop firm accounts that are still active right now. So you can still claim them and you can start trading with them. And most importantly, you can make real withdrawals from them, okay? So make sure you stick around to the end of this video because you don't want to miss this opportunity. So I noticed something. 79% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Yes, so if you are enjoying my content on Forex, no deposit bonuses, and cryptocurrency, please take a second to subscribe, to like, and also to share my videos so that your friends can all benefit from it. Here is the site in which we are going to be getting the free $5,000 prop firm account. So first, we're going to start by clicking on don't have an account. So let's do that right now. Yes, then we're going to be imputing our details, our first name, last name, email, password. Then you're going to confirm your password. After doing that, you click on register. So let's do that right now. After registering, it's going to bring us over to this interface where we are going to be verifying our email address. So we're going to click on this right here. As email sent successfully. So we're going to go to our email right now. To confirm our email address, we're just going to click on confirm. Okay, then it's going to bring us over to this place. So I'm signed in already, as you can see it right here. So this is the way the dashboard looks like. I've not gotten the 5k prop firm yet. As you can see, it's still empty. It's still showing 0. So let's proceed. So the first thing that we're going to do is to click on challenges. We have two challenges. We have the crypto and the Forex. So we're going to be going for the crypto because it's free. So we're going to click on start. Yeah, account created successfully. So as you can see it right here, we've gotten it. Yes, and it's going to be on for a period of 30 days. Yes, so there are rules to follow and you can navigate the site to find every rule that you need to know. Yes, so we're going to be trading with City Trader and not MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Yes, and if you don't have a City Trader account, you're going to be logging in with the email that you use to log in with this. So like I said before, we'll be trading with City Trader and not MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Yes, so I'll advise that we download City Trader app instead of using it on our desktop site or your Android. Yes, so it's not comfortable on Android. So make sure you download the app, and which is what we'll be using to log in this $5,000 account, because we will not just be trading it on the site. We have to connect the platform. Yes, so after downloading your City Trader app, you will put the same email that you used to log in into the site. So I've downloaded the app, so let's open it. Okay, so we're going to be imputing the same email and password that we use to open the site. So let's do that right now. Okay, so I'm signed in already, as you can see it right here. Yeah, so you can use the same email and password that you used to log into the site, or you just sign in directly from Google. Yes, so as you can see it, I'm signed in already. Yes, so don't be concerned about the demo that you're seeing right here. Yes, for every prop firm you get, demo tag will always be attached, so that's normal. So you can trade on this app, you can buy, you can sell, and once you meet the terms and condition, you can withdraw. So this is every details that you need to get the free 5k prop firm. Thank you. So if you got it, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. That is, we have to sign up. So I'm going to be inputting my name, my email, Then a verification code will be sent to my email, so I'm going to be inputting it here. Then my country and my password. Okay, so after doing that, I'm just going to click on submit. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so it says successful registration, so I'm just going to re-enter my email and password. The email I use in signing up, that's what I'm going to be inputting here. Okay, so let's do that. Yes, so login successful. So this is what the site looks like. As you can see it, this is what the site looks like. So we want to claim a $10,000 prop firm account. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Okay, this is the dashboard. Yeah, but we're going to go to purchase. So just going to click on the next one, which is purchase. Okay, so as you can see, we have the classic, we have the legend, we have the short, we have the free, but we are going to be going for the free because we want to claim the free $10,000 USDT. Okay, so you can also see right here that we have so many prizes. Okay, and we have the phase 1, the phase 2. Okay, but we're going to be clicking on the free. Yes, so this is it right here. So we have the Legends tournament and we have the short-term competition, and you can see the phase 1, the phase 2, and the firm offer. Okay, so you can just go through it. You can go through it. So we're just going to be clicking on the free. We're going to click on free right here. Yes, we're going to click on free. So for the stage reward, the phase 1, you can see 2,000 USDT. Then for the phase 2, we have the 10,000 USDT. And the firm offer is what? 10,000 USDT. You can see the profit requirements. You can see the maximum daily effective points. You can see the maximum dynamic drawdown. You can see the maximum loss of principal. So you can just go through. You can see the transaction support, the profit sharing ratio, and the leverage. Okay, and you can see the price. It is what? Totally free. So we're just going to click on free. Yes, this is it. So I'm going to be inputting my information. As you can see, we have the evaluate, that is the account type, which is free, and you can see the account balance right here. You can see the trading platform, which is Find Trader. Okay, and for the billing information, it is totally free. They are not billing us. We're not depositing anything. So it's totally free. So I'm just going to be inputting my name, my son name, my email, my nation, city, address, postal code. Then I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions right here. Then I'm going to input my membership code. Then I'll click on verification. Okay. Yes, that's the verification. Then I'll click on what? Purchase price. As you can see, it is totally free. So let's do that right now. Okay, so I've been able to register my details successfully. Okay, so you can see my legend account right here, and you can see the total submissions. Okay, so my details has been sent to my email, so I'm just going to go and check it. Then after getting my details, and I'm going to download the app. Yes, I'm going to download Find Trader because that's where I'm going to be trading, and that's where I'm going to be inputting my login details. Okay, so as you can see, I've gotten my login details already. You can see it right here. Yes, so I'm just going to be downloading the app. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so the app is downloaded already. You can see it right here, Find Trader. So I'm just going to click on it. Then I'm going to be logging in. I'm going to be inputting the details that I got from my email. Okay, my login ID and my password. So this is my login ID right here. So I'm just going to copy my password. Yes, I'll be copying my password and I'm going to paste it right there. Okay, so I'm just going to click on login. Yes, so as you can see, I've gotten it already. I've gotten the $10,000 prop firm account. So this is it right here. So We can trade using crypto and we can trade using Forex, as you can see it right here. So this is the contract, this is the spot trading, then this is the market. You can see so many coins right here. You can see so many currency pairs. Okay, yes, so this is the home. This is the home. We have the spot trading and we have the contracts. Okay, so this is how to claim your $10,000 prop firm account. So go and claim yours right now, and if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.